Thanks for supporting Satanic. Please, are you here to sell your soul to the devil?
Yes, I'm ready to sell my soul.
Okay.
Satanic agents. If I'm to sell my soul to the devil, how will I sell it? Like, I don't know.
It's
Maybe
a
I have to
process,
sell my
but
soul to the devil.
before we continue with the conversation, I would like you to.
My people, things they happen, oh my people. I say I don't see finish. I don't know say I never see finish. No be small something, my people. Una see this man so una dey see for my screen here. Na Ghanaian guy. No be small wonder oh. Una know say in everything Naija no dey carry last, my people. I go leave una more una for watch this video. May not come be say I too talk. May I watch this video first.
Thanks for supporting Satanic. Please, are you here to sell your soul to the devil?
Yes, I'm ready to sell my soul.
Okay.
Satanic agents. If I'm to sell my soul to the devil, how will I sell it? Like, I don't know.
It's
Maybe I
a
have to
process,
sell my
but
soul to the devil.
before we continue with the conversation, I would like you to have an encounter with that is Daddy Lucifer. Yes, I would just like you to have an encounter with Daddy Lucifer. So you do as I say. Anything that I will say, you respond. That is an accept. Okay. Copy GH. I see you. Copy GH. No problem. So okay. La satanic l'accept.
I don't understand. Is it your network or my network?
It's your network, my sister. Hey, what's funny? What's funny? Be serious.
So,
La satanic l'accept.
I don't understand. Is it my network or your network?
Small nyash. Small nyash. Be careful.
Why are you calling small yash? Guy, this thing you are doing, it will not help. You better change. You are a human being. You say you are not a human being. Would that one help?
I'm coming.
I'm not ready to sell my soul to the devil, and I reject it in Jesus' name. You are there deceiving yourself that you are an agent.
My sister,
who dash you agent?
Butter silicon.
Who dash you agent?
Small nyash. Go.
I don't even understand.
Don't be silly, my sister. You are coming to talk to satanic agent anyhow. I don't understand. Don't be silly, my sister. Here we mean nothing but satanic. Please, next. Hello.
Oh, hello. Good morning.
Please. Good morning. I respect your religion. Respect my religion. Okay. Are you here to sell your soul to the devil?
Yeah, I'm here to sell my soul to the devil, but I'm staying in Cyprus. I don't know how possible it can be.
Okay. Before we continue with the conversation, I would like you to have an encounter with Daddy Lucifer. Okay. Before we continue.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So anything that I will say, you respond accept. Okay.
No problem. Should I do my hand like that?
Don't be silly, my sister. Shut up.
Okay.
La satanic l'accept.
L'accept. L'accept.
You are the only sensible guy I met today. And trust me, your life will never be the same, okay? You will move from riches to riches, from shame to fame, from grace to grace, from zero to hero, okay? From blessings to blessings, okay? And let me remind you, it means you have sworn on this. It's called Krali, okay? Right now, you have already sold your soul to the devil. Yes, right now you have already sold your soul to the devil, so your soul does not belong to you again. Even if I explain the 6 6 to you, it's not needed, because even if you have a changed mind, you won't do it. Your soul is here, and if you misbehave too, you will go, and your soul you won't get it, and you even get $1, just penny you won't get. Okay, When you join the satanic, you receive an amount of that is $2,600 every 7 days. That is 1 week. And bear in mind, when you join the sisters, you can't use the satanic money to set a business. It's not a satanic money that you use it to sell bottles enlargement, flat tummy tea, a weight gain. No, you don't do that. And if you have a businesses already, as soon as you are a full member of satanic, you stop. And again, you can't use the satanic money to help your family members. Remember that. And yes, please, you can't use the money to help your family members. The reason why we are doing
use the
that.
money do?
What you find? Don't be silly, my sister. Don't be silly, my sister. What you find the money? Can't you keep? I tell you, say your soul is here. If you misbehave, you will go. You will go empty-handed.
Close your mouth. Close mouth. Which one you say my soul is there? It is Chris. Is this one we just do? They drive motor with the hire. Just they drive motor with the hire. They do anyhow. Look at this Ghana idiot. I just they insult Nigerian people. You get luck say never enter Nigeria before. We go match you. When they have match you, we go match you. I just dey lis ten to you, man. See wetin you wan talk. Say I just go there carry charcoal dey write for your forehead. Dey craze. I just say one use you just get lucky na for
I will
after the
advise
big
you,
day.
if you have money, buy your own coffin, because from next month you can't give somebody headache that they will be going to
My
chasing money,
friend, close
borrowing
your
money.
mouth.
So
We
if
dey
you have
talk
money,
about
buy your
something.
own coffin,
We
okay?
are talking something.
Please.
Shut up, I'm
I
talking.
said buy
Close
your
your mouth,
own
I'm talking. You
coffin,
don't know
because
me.
from next month you
You don't
can't
know
put
me.
your bed in.
It's not
That your
because
useless,
it's not because
that
you're
your
on life
useless dead body.
that makes you think that you are like
That your
you're a reasonable
useless dead
somebody.
body, you can't use it to
You are
worry
not a
anybody.
reasonable
So
human being,
please,
you're a fool.
if you have money, go and buy your own coffin, okay? Rest in peace. Rest in peace. We shall meet again.
It will never be well with your journey. The day when they form you, and God go punish your paput. Oh, good night, go come out, but that is way. Oh, good night, go kick
Go and sit down over there, rubbish woman.
your man, kill her.
They will be Igbo women. It be disease. In fact, it be spiritual. The Igbo women na disgrace to Buhari. Pero I see you. Please, are you here to sell your soul to the devil?
Good morning first. Good morning. Yeah.
Good morning, please.
I'm not here to sell my soul to the devil, but I'm here to preach the good news of God to you.
I don't want to hear it, please. I don't need it. Keep it to yourself.
Okay, no problem. God love you. As handsome as you are, look at you doing rubbish here.
And so what?
God love you. Look at you writing 666 on your head. Okay, you said you have money, you have car, you have this one, you have that. Okay, when you die, will they bury you with your car? When you die, will they bury you with your house?
They will come. My sister, go and sit down. Who sent you to go and marry? Who sent you to go and marry? Who sent you? It's marriage by force. You see, she's talking from pain. It's like she's suffering from marriage problems. My taste is not your taste. I love satanic. Please, are you here to sell your soul to the devil?
I'm not here to sell my soul. I'm here to tell you that you look like a catfish. You look like a catfish.
Oh, don't be silly. You are learning me.
You look like a catfish.
You are learning me. Wait, why is this catfish?
You're smelling mouth like something. Your mouth is smelling, Papa. This is your voice. If you're a parasite, it's good for you.
You're a satanic agent. Oh my God, that's nice. Are you a newcomer? Because I've been a satanic agent and I stopped. Are you a newcomer?
Have you been taking your madness medicine?
I've never been mad. You don't know what you're talking about.
You are mad. In fact, you are mad. If you don't know, you are mad. Go and sit down.
You're talking about
21st century, who they wear orange? Orange with pink and blue shoe. Villager.
My people, Sean, I don't watch the video. No be small something, oh. He say, who need power? Who need power? Who need wealth? Who need money? Say you go give the person money. Now my Naija people come they call this man or come they enter in live video. No be small something or even I even sleep there. No be small matter. Naija no they carry last. Naija people come they let this guy know say they need money. He say make the court though, make they believe wetin he talk. Say as they talk wetin he talk, say they don't belong. And then they go say Holy Ghost fire to them. No be small something. They even tell and say this place, so when you sit down put, you won't get money, see where you sit down put. They no even fear say the person carry 666, he carry mark for face, he carry one Bible. Naija people no even fear. Now so that they give this guy woto. No be small thing. My people, things they happen. Oh, things really they happen. I won't leave on for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.